I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here tonight for the Quick and Easy Meals weekly collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Anna from Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean from Jean's Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. We'll have videos out tonight and every Sunday evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tonight, I'm going to be making a super easy, super delicious Dorito salad. It is so wonderful, and you can change up the ingredients and add things that are your favorites to this super easy, delicious salad. I have everything ready for my recipe. I have a big bowl and a spatula, and I'm going to start adding my ingredients into this big bowl. I'm putting in 1 cup of mayonnaise, and if you don't care for mayonnaise, you could change this out and use sour cream. This recipe is so versatile. You can add anything that you like to this wonderful, delicious Dorito salad. And now I have about 1/2 of a cup of onions here. It's about a quarter to a half of a medium onion. And I'm just gonna put this right in, whatever you like. And now I have 2 cans of corn here that I've drained, and I'm gonna pour this right in. And I have one more ingredient to put in right now, and that is 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Just dump it all in there, and then just toss all of this together. Get it mixed up really well. And then I'm going to add about 1/2 to 1 whole head, depending on the size, of lettuce torn into bite-sized pieces. Just tear up your lettuce into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to set this aside in a bowl because we don't want our lettuce to be really soggy when we serve this. So I'll put it here in the bowl, and then right before my friends are going to be due to get here, I will go ahead and just toss this in with the rest of my ingredients. So here I have it torn up in a separate bowl, and I'll set these 2 bowls aside. And in case you're wondering if this salad really has Doritos in it, it does. It does have Doritos. This is a 9 1/4 ounce bag. You can get whatever flavor of Doritos you like, but I'm going strictly with the regular nacho cheese. And now we're going to do something that's unheard of, something that's really hard to do. It goes against everything that's in our nature. We are going to start to crush up these Doritos. I'm going to leave them closed in this bag until my friends get here. And once they get here, I'm going to take the Doritos and the lettuce. I will mix all of these together to make the wonderful Dorito salad. My company should be here any minute. I'm going to take the plastic wrap off, and then I'm going to take all of my lettuce and put it right in. And you can mix this right in the bowl that you're going to serve it in. And just as I promised, an entire bag of Doritos right into the salad. I'll mix in a little bit at a time so they don't fall over the edge. And here's how the wonderful, delicious Dorito salad turned out. I hope you try it and like it just as much as my family and friends. Jean and Anna's channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm so happy you're here as I put this wonderful, delicious, easy salad together. I hope you put it together yourself. Give it a try and realize just how delicious it is. And come back every Sunday evening for quick and easy meals. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful week.